Ever wondered how scientists determine if a drug causes a side effect, or how a gene might influence a disease? It's not just about random guesses, it's about solving one of the toughest puzzles in science, causal discovery. This is the art of uncovering why things happen, not just what happens. But here's the challenge. Traditional methods rely on observational data, like patient records or experiments. While useful, it's like solving a mystery with only a few clues. Enter a new player, large language models LLMs, the brains behind chatbots. They're powerful but not perfect. They can hallucinate or give inconsistent answers. So how do we fix this? A breakthrough approach is combining LLMs with knowledge graphs, vast digital maps of structured facts. Think of them as a web connecting diseases, drugs, and genes. For example, if you look up raloxifene, a drug, and melanoma, a cancer, the graph might reveal a path through genes like ERBB2, hinting at a potential link. But here's the catch. These graphs are massive. Millions of connections make it like searching for a needle in a haystack. Researchers tackled this by focusing on informative subgraphs, specific paths in the graph that hold the most clues. They used a clever trick. First, an LLM guesses which subgraphs are relevant, then learning to rank models, think of them as super smart sorting algorithms, prioritize the best ones. The result? A game changer. In tests, their method outperformed existing approaches by up to 44.4 points in the F1 score, a metric measuring how well a model finds the right answers. Even more impressively, it worked across different LLMs and knowledge graphs, like biomedical databases or general world facts. Why does this matter? Imagine a doctor using this tech to spot hidden drug risks, or a researcher uncovering gene-disease connections. It's not just about better AI, it's about making science faster, safer, and more precise. But here's the twist. Traditional AI often confuses correlation with causation. Like just because ice cream sales and shark attacks rise in summer doesn't mean ice cream causes sharks to attack. How do we teach machines to tell the difference? Researchers are building digital detective tools that follow structured clues. They tested two approaches: a cross-encoder model, which uses neural networks to understand context like a detective reading a crime scene, and XGBoost, a classic algorithm that outperformed the AI in some cases. Combining AI's pattern recognition with structured data, like medical databases or historical records, lets machines make smarter guesses. For example, if a drug causes side effects, the model could trace the exact biological pathway linking them. The results? On a biomedical dataset, their method boosted accuracy by 22.37 points, like upgrading a basic calculator to a supercomputer. Even with general knowledge bases like Wikidata, the improvement was massive. And here's the kicker. This approach doesn't need massive real-world data. That's a game changer for fields with scarce data, like rare diseases or ancient history. So what's next? The team aims to tackle full causal networks with thousands of variables. Imagine mapping how climate change affects ecosystems or how social policies shape economies. By letting AI navigate these webs, we're not just answering questions, we're asking better ones. Thanks for watching. If you want to see how this ties into AI tools we've covered, hit subscribe for more deep dives. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and remember, the future of AI isn't just about smart machines. It's about smarter understanding.